I didn't want to lose anyone else. I didn't want to lose anyone else, whether it be a family member, whether it be a community member, whether it be a friend, an uncle, sister, mother, whether it just be even just a neighbor, even anybody I could help. I did my best to see if I can help. So
those gaps were often ending in people dying in our community. Those gaps were marking, filling the grave sites in the community because of the gaps that existed in our services. And so at that time, we believed that we needed a 24/7 crisis line. And so we established our 24/7 crisis line, and it was astounding, the amount of calls that we had gotten, We then developed the plan to amalgamate. I think that just there's so many more opportunities that we have now in working together as a team, integrating our departments, integrating our youth, recreation, mental health. All teams are working together for the same purpose, for the betterment of the community and the betterment of our youth and our population.
I think that one thing that did change or evolve from our agency is that we sort of, instead of being inside our offices, doing the traditional one-on-one counseling, what we did is we noticed that we had to change the way we did things. If we're out there and if we're being seen, that's our way of sort of eliminating that stigma, especially in the mental health field. Kids will see us, will know us, and that's our sort of our key of bringing kids in. They see us as regular human beings. But I think that a mental health worker needs to be out there, needs to be out seeing people, needs to be out in the community. And I think that by doing a lot, especially putting a lot of sports and recreation or recreation within mental health, it works so well.
People play for their communities, people play for their families, people play for themselves. So it instills lots of pride into people. And when you have pride in your own self, you'll have pride in your family, you'll have pride in your community. And then once you've established that pride level in your community, and then you'll want to make your community better, and then you'll always strive to help move your community forward.
Round of applause. All our athletes, coaches, and our community coordinators from Eskasoni Nation.
I know in a lot of our programs, with the youth programs, we try to make sure that we do have stuff like cultural camps. And these are week-long camps that we have where we bring in elders, we bring in people who are strong in their culture to teach our kids. It's sort of just to make sure that our culture is sort of intact, and it's kind of like reclaiming and regaining your cultural identity.
I'm truly hopeful that with the implementation of the various services and programs and the collaboration that goes on between so many individuals. There's so many individuals that truly care. And I think that truly can make a difference.